Hello everyone, my name is Marcin and in this video I'm going to show you how to edit your badminton matches in DaVinci Resolve Studio. I'm going to show you how to quickly get rid of the time in your recording where there is no rally actually going on, so you get rid of the boring stuff and leave just the meat, just the interesting part, which is the rallies. Alright, before you start, you want to go to DaVinci Resolve Studio and download it and install it. After that, open the program and open a new project. Then before you import your media, I want you to create some new keyboard customization, which will tremendously speed up the work. By default, you have DaVinci Resolve keyboard customization, and I want you to assign two characters or two keyboard buttons to new customization. And for me, that was B and N because it's next to each other and I can quickly, using two fingers of my left arm, and just press both of those. So by default, B is blade edit mode and N is snapping. And I want you to change it to razor and start to playhead. So let me show you how to do that. You click on B or any other keyboard button that you want to change. You click here. As you can see, it's blade edit mode. Here, command. You want to get rid of that. And you want to now find here the razor, show all, great, delete that, and you press B, save. Actually, before saving, you can also change the other, which is snapping here, you delete that, and you show all, and then start to play head. Show all commands. Start to play head, resize. Yeah, start to play head, okay, this one. Yeah, and save. And you can call it however you like. My own keyboard. All right, now you can close it, and then you want to import your media pool. Okay, let's look this up. Let's see what I have. See, okay, I have some match here. Of course, you want to change the frame rate of your project. So change, and then drag and drop. By the way, this video is for people who already know basics of DaVinci Resolve, but I'm trying to also show it in a way that everyone, even the complete beginner, can understand and follow with me. Alright, so once you have your match imported into the timeline, you can start editing it. First, what I recommend you to do is make sure that it's linked. So you press that little magnet here, or you press Ctrl-Shift-L after selecting both of these timelines, which is video and sound. And then you want to find in your match the moment where you start the game. Pro tip, you can use these buttons here to zoom in or zoom out in the timeline, or you can also use Alt and the wheel on your mouse, or you can also use Control and wheel on your mouse to move left and right. So really, really fast and cool thing to do while editing your video. All right, so let's zoom in a little bit more. Let's see. So what I usually do is find the place where I want to cut it. I press B. As you can see now, it's separated into two different clips. I click on the one that I want to get rid, the first one, just one time, and then I delete it. And then as the match goes on, I can use B and N to get rid of the footage that I want to get rid of. So as you can see, I press B right after the rally ends. And then I move the playhead manually to find the start of the next rally. And I press N, and this automatically removes the footage and the sound and moves the timeline to the end of the first clip. So now there is this one action. Oh wait, there were actually two rallies. Okay, let's see. So there was this one. Okay, that's the first one. B. Now move a little bit. Okay, here I'm serving. N, action. Okay, here is the end, and new one, B. And just like that, you can very quickly edit your matches. Cool thing about this is that you can move your playhead faster than in real time. So in theory, when you get good at this editing, it shouldn't take as long as the match is to edit that match. So if the match is, for example, 1 hour, it could take you, I don't know, 40 minutes to edit that, or even less if you are really fast. So that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoy that and you like it. In the next video, I'm planning to show you how to add a scoreboard in a corner of your match and how to do it fast and in an efficient way. So stay tuned and let me know if you like this video with thumbs up or a comment. Don't forget to subscribe. More videos like this are coming. Peace.